Disclaimer: all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled, professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Hey y'all, it's SRT Car and we're back here with another video. So as you can see by the title, I'm adding flames to my car. I'm getting a freaking flame kit. We're gonna go back to CNM Performance. Right now I'm just driving my car and the kitty cat. Yeah, y'all hear that?
Got him.
So yeah, right now I'm on my way. This is gonna be a quick little intro because I'm driving and I'm not trying to stay distracted. But yeah, right now we're on the way to the shop to get that done. So it's gonna be a quick one too, and then I'm gonna give y'all some content of, you know, how at night, how the flames look, and I got some good coming for y'all. But yeah, if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe button. You know, comment down below what other videos y'all want to see of me, any collabs or anything. But yeah, I'll see y'all at the shop. Okay, bye. Alright y'all, so update. We was getting a flame kit, but something happened. So my pipes are rusted. So when they tried to bolt in the plugs, it was not sticking. So now we're getting new pipes and we're actually getting 5-inch exhaust tips. So they're all gonna get changed. And then these are the old ones. And then we're gonna spray paint those black, and then those are gonna go on there.
Am I really hard to please? Perhaps I have such special needs.
Ooh, Sam, killed it.
I wondered what was wrong with me. My friends all fall so easily. What to tell you? What to tell you? What to tell you?
A few moments later.
So what you guys are about to witness is my car going into limp mode, which is basically a safety feature to protect my engine. You'll see that they're going to keep turning on and off my car, but that's just to reset it.
The next day.
Alright y'all, so it's the next day after I got my flame kit added, and I kind of skipped over the recording process because it kind of took a little minute to figure out to do, you know, make sure the wiring is good and stuff like that. So actually last night I tried out the flame kit. I'm still learning it, to be honest with y'all. I'm gonna keep it a butterbuck with y'all. I'm still learning the flame kit, so I'm gonna insert a clip right here. Alright, go! Alright, go! That shit's on fire! That's how the flame kit looks at night. But as I was starting to do it more and more, I kind of put my car into limp mode, which basically that means I couldn't accelerate, like my damn gas pedal wasn't working. What the fuck? Which means that I was like stalling my car out.
Huh?
How CNM was explaining it to me, like how it's like a sweet spot that you have to hit. So I guess I was just stabbing it, holding the button too long, and that's what was putting it to limp mode. So that's exactly what was happening. But yeah, I'm still practicing it, so I'm gonna get some content for y'all with the I'm gonna get some content of the flame kit. I'm gonna try to get it in the daylight, but honestly it's really not even gonna matter because it's day, so it'll definitely be better at nighttime. We're gonna get some more content and some reactions of how the flame looks, and yeah, just come with me on this little vlog. And actually, I got a package. Hold on. All right, yeah, so with that being said, I got sent in the mail Dragon's Breath. Thank you to the owners of Dragon's Breath for sending me this. I appreciate it. And basically this is what you put in your exhaust tip, and it basically shoots out the color. So drop in the comments what y'all think what color I'm about to put in there.
3:28 a.m.
Get it started easy. All you need is plug it up on the passenger side by the flow, man. Don't even start.
Oh, say less.
Yeah, y'all. I got a fucking flame kit. Y'all wanna see that shit?
So is there.
Oh, yeah. I got some flame paint.
Oh, like the color draw? What's that?
Y'all get the color though? Green pink. Alright y'all, so this is the Dragon's Breath paste. I ain't gonna lie, y'all can see through the color. It's pink, y'all. It's like a pink. Nah, but I didn't expect the paste to be fucking white. Alright y'all, let's put this joint on. I have to put a lot.
What the fuck?
One down to the goal. One down to the goal.
Damn.
Bro, it's also low-key like wet. Let's see if this joint works. Take this. Alright y'all, so I just finished linking up with them. You know, we got some content and stuff like that. But if y'all could see, I put the paste on there, and then you can see like kind of closer to the end it started showing pink. I don't know if I had to put more paste into the John, but that's definitely gonna be for more future videos. I just wanted to try it out, see how it is, but you could definitely see a little bit from what it is. But yeah, it's a quick little video just showing y'all how my flame is. If y'all made it to the end of the video, thank y'all for watching, and make sure y'all subscribe. Definitely hit that like button and give me to 30k subs. And yeah, stay tuned for more content. Bye, I love y'all.